Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to check out these trending DIY project ideas. So first up, it looks like someone might be trying to do some type of basket of some sort. So they are using various types of brown paper in order to do this. They have an old bucket here. They created some type of braided shape. And oh, it's a planter. Very cool, nice and creative DIY project. So then we see that same creator. So it looks like they're making some tassels now. Oh, a napkin ring holder. That's really cool. Was not expecting that. I was thinking maybe she was going to do like some type of wall decor or maybe some type of pillow design. So next up we see a mirror with the infamous yarn. And this is definitely some beautiful wall decor. I love how she used a mirror for this. Very creative design. So it looks like this particular creator does a lot of like yarn and robe inspired DIYs. Oh, what are they doing with this onion? They're dyeing it. Wow. Oh, I love this idea. Very pretty. Now all she needs is another mirror right above, but that is really cool. So it looks like with this next DIY she's using some marbles. So we've kind of seen similar techniques. So she's gonna spray paint that. And boom, beautiful planter. Very cute. So then moving on, we have another one of my favorite creators. I think she's doing a mirror design with this one as well. Looks like she's doing like a leaf pattern. Oh, she's doing half a leaf. Oh, this is cool. I kind of would like to see that turn to the side. I've seen that done before. That looks really cool. It looks like here she's doing some hooped tassels. This is one of the ways I've seen people do the chandelier, the tassel chandelier. But it looks like here she's making some more mirror designs. Oh, she did 2 layers of that. Very cool. Very nice. So she's back with the wooden beads. Oh, that looks like a bracelet. I know she's probably not making jewelry, but maybe she's making a candle holder. Oh yeah, so it ended up being like a planter with the pampas grass. Now this is like a cool looking lamp that she's creating here. We already saw it at the beginning, so I think that kind of ruins the fun of it. When I see it at the beginning and I know what it is, I'm like, ah. But when I like get to react to like it being a whole new thing and I haven't seen it before, it's like, oh, I don't know. So the next DIY looks like they're making some type of basket. So they have a tin can here. And they're wrapping it in like this tape. Now this to me looks like cork. Does this look like cork to anyone? Like it looks like some type of like, you know how they have the contact paper and they have like the ones that look like wood and, you know, like different materials. This one looks like cork. So it looks like they're making just like some type of decorative box. Maybe to put like knickknacks and that sort of thing in there. Yeah, that looks like cork. I wonder what type of paper that is that they use, because I've never seen that before. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.